the respondent on being discharged from service in terms of the opinion of the release. Medical board claimed for payment of disability pension stop. The appellate authority, however, informed the respondent that disability for which the respondent was released from service were constitutional in nature. Stop. The chief controller of defense accounts and the appellate medical authority examined the case of the respondent, and thereafter both the authorities held that the disability suffered by the respondent was not due to injury suffered during the course of duty or because of nature of duties performed by the respondent. Stop. The appellate authority also gave an opinion that the disease of the respondent was neither attributable to nor aggravated by Air Force service. Stop. Being aggravated by the aforesaid order, the respondent herein filed a suit claiming payment of disability pension on the ground that at the time of his entry to the Air Force service, no such disease was recorded in his records, and therefore onset of the aforesaid disease during the course of service should be considered as attributable to service, particularly due to the adverse service conditions which cause the disease. Stanza. The aforesaid suit was contested by the appellant herein by filing a detailed written statement. Stop. On the basis of the parties, several issues were framed and the parties led their evidence in support of their cases, and finally by judgment and decree dated 27/9/1996, the learned trial court dismissed the suit. Stop. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid judgment and decree, the respondent filed an appeal before the first appellate court, which was heard and was dismissed. Stop. The respondent being aggrieved by the aforesaid concurrent findings of fact arrived at by the two courts below, filed a second appeal in the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which was allowed by the learned single judge, on account of which the present appeal was filed by the appellant herein. Stanza. The counsel appearing for the appellants submitted before us that the High Court was not justified in interfering with the concurrent findings of fact of two courts below. Therefore, the said medical report having a primary, should have been given due weightage and primary consideration, and the learned single judge was not justified in substituting the said findings and opinion of the medical board by substituting its own opinion. The aforesaid submission of the counsel appearing for the appellant were refuted by the counsel appearing for the respondent, who submitted that the High Court was justified in holding that since at the time of his entry in the Air Force on 1/5/1970, no such disease were found